If you're over 60 and noticing your strength slip away, this one change to your morning meal could be the key to rebuilding muscle you thought was gone forever. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, eating well, staying active, but still feel weaker and a bit less steady on your feet? That something's off feeling isn't just in your head. For many after 60, the hidden culprit is a silent thief called sarcopenia, the progressive loss of muscle mass and strength. You might not see it happening, but you feel it. It's in the extra effort to stand up, the heavier feel of a grocery bag, and the slight unsteadiness on a walk. The good news? Today, I'll show you how to fight back, starting with your very next breakfast. Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. First, let's understand what's happening while you sleep. It's a beautiful, natural rhythm of breakdown and repair. Your muscles get microscopic tears from daily use. That's the signal for growth. Then, your body repairs those tears, aiming to rebuild them stronger. But this crucial repair shop can't operate without the right morning materials. If you're eating the wrong things at breakfast, you're essentially shutting down construction for the day. Most people unknowingly choose breakfasts that sabotage this process. Before we get to the powerful foods that build you up, we must expose the common choices that tear you down. 1. Refined grains and flours. Think white toast, bagels, and pastries. Here's what occurs. These foods rapidly convert to sugar in your bloodstream, causing an insulin spike. This hormone surge acts like a stop sign on your muscle repair pathway. Worse, when that sugar high crashes, your body may start breaking down muscle tissue for energy. You could be eating your own strength away. A long-term study of seniors found that those consuming refined grains daily lost significantly more muscle mass. I recall a gentleman in his late 60s, an avid walker who couldn't figure out why his legs felt weaker. His daily breakfast was a buttered bagel. Once we swapped that for a better option, his strength and stability began returning within weeks. 2. Caffeine on an empty stomach. That morning cup of coffee before food triggers a cortisol flood, your primary stress hormone. In this fasted state, high cortisol tells your body to break down muscle for fuel. It also suppresses growth signals for hours. Research indicates this habit can accelerate muscle loss. It's not about giving up coffee, but about timing it with food. 3. Processed breakfast meats. Bacon, sausage, and deli ham contain preservatives called nitrates. Inside your body, they can form compounds that promote inflammation, directly damaging muscle fibers and hindering their ability to regenerate. Choosing these for protein is counterproductive. You're introducing toxins that hurt the very tissue you're trying to support. 4. Dairy with grains. A bowl of oatmeal with skim milk seems healthy, right? The problem is the missing fat. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble. Without fat, they pass through you unused. Your muscles starve for these critical repair nutrients. Furthermore, some studies suggest the imbalanced protein in fat-free dairy might hinder mineral absorption. Always choose whole-fat dairy to unlock the full nutritional benefits. 5. Packaged, refined breakfast cereals. They're often fortified, but their protein is incomplete, lacking key amino acids your muscles desperately need after a night's fast. This can force your body to scavenge amino acids from existing muscle tissue. They also contain anti-nutrients that can block the absorption of protein from other foods you eat later. It's a double blow to your muscle-building efforts. Now for the transformation. Replacing those 5 saboteurs with these 5 powerful builders can help reverse muscle loss. These are not exotic items. They're accessible, affordable, and incredibly effective. The 5 muscle-building foods. Number 1. Whole eggs. Think of an egg as nature's perfect muscle repair kit. Within 30 minutes of eating eggs, your muscles receive a complete ideal ratio of all 9 essential amino acids. The yolk is vital. It contains vitamin D, which acts like a foreman directing protein to your muscles. A study of seniors adding 2 whole eggs to breakfast saw impressive gains in lean mass and strength. Eat them scrambled, poached, or boiled, cooked in a healthy fat like olive oil. Number 2. Plain Greek yogurt. This is a protein powerhouse, packed with leucine, the master switch for muscle synthesis. The combination of its proteins provides a sustained release of building blocks. The full fat is essential for absorbing those fat-soluble vitamins. Add some berries or a drizzle of honey if needed. Number 3. Lean animal protein chicken turkey. Adding a small serving of leftover grilled chicken or turkey to your morning plate delivers a highly concentrated, bioavailable protein punch. It's rich in creatine and B vitamins that directly fuel the muscle-building process. This isn't about a huge steak. Just a few ounces can make a profound difference. Number 4. Avocado. This fruit provides healthy fats that act as a nutrient delivery system. Its fats help your body utilize protein more effectively and support hormone production. The potassium in avocados helps prevent muscle cramps. Slice it on your eggs or mash it on whole grain toast. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. A small handful of almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds provides plant-based protein, magnesium, zinc, and anti-inflammatory fats. These minerals are cofactors in hundreds of processes, including protein synthesis. They reduce inflammation, creating a better environment for muscle repair. This isn't just about adding foods, it's about a mindset shift. Your first meal sets the metabolic tone for your entire day. Will you choose foods that silently dismantle your strength or foods that actively reconstruct it? The power to feel stronger, more stable, and more vibrant is on your plate. It begins tomorrow morning. If this video helped you understand the silent battle for your muscles, please show your support. Hit the like button. It truly helps our channel, Healthy Lifestyle, reach more people who need this information. Share your thoughts or which food surprised you most in the comments below. And subscribe for more science-backed guides to living your healthiest life at every age. Thank you for watching.